It still doesn't feel quite like a dirt bike, but it handles so good. Get to jump some trees.
Today we took our new dual sports out on their first trail ride.
Holy crap, dude!
We were amazed to see that they handled so well off-road as well as on-road. From the gravel to the grass to the slippery leaves, these dual sports just kept going. On-road, it was a breeze riding this 300L, quite literally without the windshield that the Rally provides. We were starting to get the hang of it. These bikes seemed easier to ride off-road than our dirt bikes. We were getting really comfortable on them, maybe too comfortable, but this left us really excited for trips to come later this summer. I've got my Tusk Traverse bags mounted on the side, and they quickly got filled with my tools, so there's not much room left. But we've got some dry bags, and I'm looking forward to pushing my limits with the lightweight gear and how small I can pack out. Well, that's enough talking from me, and I'll let you watch the rest of the footage I captured today. And if you've watched this far, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel for lots more content like this.
Gotcha. Do not want to hit some barbed wire. But the leaves are slick. Heads up. Oh, thanks. Oh, yeah. 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 Yours is like 40 pounds heavier than mine, I think.
the rally version's about 40 pounds more. Yeah, I think that's why I'm gonna have to get the rally, the extra fuel. I want to say it's around like 120 to 140 miles. Yeah, I'll be fine. But yeah, I think it's when you find side trails that you want to explore along the way that you can't do much of that if you're pressed on fuel. Yeah, so we're definitely going to want to do some exploring, so we want enough fuel. Yeah. Well, what are you waiting for? Click that subscribe button. There's going to be a lot more like this. Yeah, that's fine.